Idiot is back. Come inside, idiot.
Paris, London, LA, Chicago, Tokyo, Baghdad.
Okay, so I just realized my camera was blurry during that whole thing, so I'm gonna say it again. I'm getting lunch with Clara. She's on her way over. Today is my last day here, but you never know. But as of right now, my ticket, I'm meant to fly home tomorrow, so we're just gonna get lunch. I actually got this outfit here at the Zara in London, and I'll give you guys a closer look. My earrings are Charter Club. But really quick, I wanted to tell you guys about my lips and basically the lip gloss that I've been wearing this entire vacation, starting in Paris. Hold on. Okay. And that would be, hold on, this NYX butter, wow, this phone does not, oh, there we go. NYX butter gloss. I have it in Madeline and Fortune Cookie. And so what I kind of like to do with my lips is I kind of like to do the inner portion, like a lighter color, and then I use this NYX matte professional lipstick in Downtown Beauty. And so it's just like a matte lipstick, and then I put it on the outer part of my lips to create that kind of pretty soft gradient that I have here. So yeah, like NYX, I feel like, well, I do love my Too Faced, my $30 Too Faced Pump It Up Lip Plumper. NYX, you can get it at Ulta, you can get it at CVS, and this is probably like $5 to $7, way more affordable. So I definitely stock up my colors with NYX. So check it out. But now let's look at my outfit. So I'm wearing this dress that I got from the Zara here in London, guys. Like, look at this. It's so pretty. When I first saw it, I actually thought this is kind of like the dress that people wear to go watch the horse races, you know, with the big hats and everything. But I'm not dining with the queen today, but I am definitely prepared to do so. It's just super elegant, it's super cute, and yeah, it's angelic, so right up my alley. I'll see you guys later today. This is definitely not the last outfit of the day. It is Saturday night, and you know we like to go out with a bang, so let's stay tuned.
Don't Don't you let a minute slip, just say you have me. Oh, taste and see.
Here's Nimka doing her thing in the restaurant. What did you get to drink?
I got the champagne. I can't remember the name of it, but I did film it on the menu, and it's really good.
Okay.
It's definitely sweet, but it has that little bite from the champagne. I like it. What did you get?
I got a beautiful little rosé.
Yes.
It is lovely.
I got to order the lobster brioche, which is a lobster roll. So, I mean, look at this place. It's probably going to be banging.
Yeah. Yes. It will be banging.
Yes.
Yes. This is so fun. I'm like looking at you through the camera, and I'm like, whoa.
Like it has to be a lot though.
Dang. Oh, wait, this is real silver.
Yeah, it's real.
Oh,
It's just like really, really delicate.
You can't. I didn't know you could.
It's edible
silver.
Yeah.
Well, look at that. So, what?
This is the vanilla bean. This is the hazelnut.
So this is 100% vanilla
Yes.
custard,
And this
everything.
is 100% hazelnut. I'm very excited.
Downstairs, and I'm gonna get that Dior foundation that I've been wanting. Didn't get it at the airport, so now that I can get it at Harrods, amen. And then we're gonna go to like Zara and some other places on Oxford Street, and we're gonna get some outfits for tonight. Rain's coming out tonight. You guys are gonna meet her. She came to visit from London with a group of Claire's friends back in June, so yeah, tonight should be an adventure.
Oh, that's nuts, brothers.
Right now, polish 10 toes down. Yeah. Get it started on look down. Peeking through the see-through. Yeah. Body pick the color, I see you. I see you. Used to be in love, now your life up stupid. Hate to be a wreck, so that nigga feel stupid. Running through the gram, trying to figure out where you've been. All I need to know is that you're outside. Watching real time while you're still alive. Easily you just enjoy your new life. Since you let it loose, you can keep it tight. Don't need a man, got your own plans. Don't keep money, these grown men. Had a week of Monday sleeping. Cause he's so good, gotta sleep in. Watch your back at knees and bring him in.
I'm shopping. I'm just enjoying some Butterkist sweet popcorn. I'll go ahead and fill you guys in on, I said I'll go ahead and fill you guys in on how our day went. So, as you guys saw, we basically started at Harrods. We went to lunch at this restaurant inside of Harrods. Harrods is really huge. It's not only shopping, clothing and obviously fragrance and makeup, but it's also like a couple of restaurants and a tea room. Originally we wanted to go to Harrods tea room, but there's a reservation only booked up today. So we went to this restaurant just over, I'll insert the name here, can't remember at the moment, and it was really nice. We just had we had some smaller dishes, but they were really flavorful, and we had dessert as well. After that, we went to Zara. Guys, I just need to stay away from Zara for a while because this stuff is hitting. But I'll do that. I'll show that in the haul. I really wanted to go to the Pinko store, but by the time we were done at Zara, it was already closed. We got some food from the food hall. The market hall. Yeah, the food hall in Harrods. There's another place in Harrods where it's like kind of an open market vibe in terms of food. And so I've actually got another lobster roll. So that'll be great. But yeah, we're gonna go out tonight. Wanted to go to Maddox, but it's booked up. That's new, but Maddox is super fun, so I'm not surprised. But I think we're gonna go to LUXX. Never been there, but we'll see. Oh yeah, so right now, obviously Claire's in the shower. Gonna get changed. This outfit, I absolutely loved it. And I feel like I killed it. Like, it's so cute and it's so classy, and I just felt like a princess all day. So I got this from Zara here like 2 days ago, or the day after I got here. I went shopping at Zara with my friend. So yeah, mukbang. I didn't even realize it. I guess that was a little mukbang.
Man, Cheez-Its are fucking good.
So good. My favorite UK snack, guys. Buttercrisp sweet, tasty popcorn. I can't stop going to the corner store to buy more. Like, I have a full pack. I was just at the corner store like 5 minutes ago. This is my pack from earlier. Alright, see you guys. I'll see you guys really soon. I'm just gonna freshen up.
We'll return after these messages.
Je vous parle d'un temps que les moins de 20 ans ne peuvent pas connaître. On m'apprend ces temps-là, accrocher ses lilas jusque sous nos fenêtres. Si l'humble garni qui nous servait de nid ne payait pas de mine, c'est là qu'on s'est connu, moi qui criais famine et toi qui posais nu. La bohème, ça voulait dire on est heureux. La bohème, nous ne mangions qu'un jour sur deux.
Alright guys, I'm trying to figure out which outfit to wear tonight. There's two vibes, like kind of island goddess or angelic vibe like this. So this is like the first option basically. It's open back, the legs, it like kind of snatches me right here. And yeah, we're feeling the all white effect. I was wearing all white like you guys saw earlier, but let me try on the other top because I feel like the other top is peach and you'll see. Hold on. Thanks.
Job groups are nice. I didn't book
Thank
jobs.
you.
I'm just nice.
No, they're real. They're just pushing it up because the top, because it's a corset top. Clara's outfit.
Do you guys come here a lot? No, it's the first time. I haven't been here for ages.
Okay, guys, I'm wearing the Zara top and the
You guys
skirt.
have a table? I'm gonna try and come your mom.
We're about to go to an after party.
And this is a stolen jacket.
This is a stolen jacket.
But it looks amazing on her. Y'all, because... Oh my god. Oh my god. Two people offered to extend my vacation might extend. Who knows? I might be here tomorrow, I might not be. But facts are that I might also be in Paris on the 9th, the 17th, by God's grace. That's facts.
We'll be on Paris.
That one is an undisputed fact. But
okay, I have a service now, so I'm gonna search these people up that I found earlier. So we got Kate.
Bye, have a great time.